Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. Today we're going to talk about charging cables. You can now get your hands on a really cool cable organizer and holster for your garage to get ready for the release of the Cybertruck. So this is a really cool multiple piece. They do send you a little hardware kit with all the necessary wall anchors and screws to mount this product to the wall. And then we also get the little charging cradle for the actual charging unit that sits in this cradle against the wall. So this way your charger is not just hanging from an outlet and putting stress on the outlet and those connections. So this is a nice little addition to that where it will actually hold the charging box here, and that will hold that against the wall and keep some slack on it as well. So this way there's no stress. So I like that idea. They also send you these two pieces of the Cybertruck. So this is the part that mounts to the wall. As you can see, there's a bit of a cutout back here for your cable wrap. So this gets mounted to your wall with 4 screws, as you can see here. And then once you get this mounted to the wall, you just take the Cybertruck part of it and you basically just snap these together on the wall. So it snaps together and then you have a Cybertruck looking cable organizer for your wall. Really, really neat. Mounted to the wall already. I had to bring it down just a hair from the last one, so all right, here we go. So we got the wall mount side done on the wall. Now we just got to snap on the Cybertruck side. See how this looks. Just line it up real good. Mounted to the wall. This looks really, really cool. Now we're going to go ahead and get the cable wrapped up around it, see how it looks. Let's go ahead and get the cable wrapped up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this put onto our new Cybertruck cable wrap organizer. Got the holster holding onto the Tesla EVSE mobile connector there. We're going to go ahead and wrap this cable up around our Cybertruck here. And now for the moment, holster, and of course the cradle for the actual EVSE charger itself. So this looks really, really cool. Mounted up against the wall. Looks really organized. I like it. Of course, this holster works really well. It's locked into the holster pretty well. If you want to unholster the handle, all you do is you lift up a little bit, pull it out. The handle is now ready for you. When you're done, put it over there, slides back in, and it locks to the small lock inside. And that's all you need.